Managing image metadata across hundreds of product photos can be exhausting. What if you could optimize Exif, IPTC, and XMP data directly from your WordPress dashboard without ever leaving your site? Meet the Exif Injector WordPress plugin. Start by heading to your Exif Injector admin dashboard. Click on Integrations in the left sidebar, then open the WordPress plugin card. Here, you'll find the latest plugin build ready for download. Click Download Plugin and save the zip file to your computer. Now, switch to your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Plugins, then Add New Plugin. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file you just downloaded and hit Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. You'll see Exif Injector Media Optimizer appear in your active plugins list. Next, connect your WordPress site to your Exif Injector account. Go to Settings, then Exif Injector. You'll need an integration token. Head back to your Exif Injector dashboard, open the HTTP API section, and copy your API key. Paste it into the integration token field in WordPress, then click Save Connection. Your account stats will appear instantly: plan details, remaining quota, and optimization history. Let's optimize some images. Click Choose Images and select files from your media library. The plugin offers two powerful modes. First, AI Optimize. This generates smart metadata using AI. Fill in the required instructions, your topic or product type, a detailed description, language, brand name, website URL, author, and copyright. Add relevant batch keywords for SEO. Then click Optimize Selected Images. The AI processes your image and injects rich metadata automatically. Want to verify the results? Download your optimized image from the media library, then upload it to the Exif Injector Exif Viewer. You'll see all the injected fields, keywords, descriptions, copyright, and more, perfectly embedded in your file. For full control, switch to Manual Edit mode. Select your image, then directly write exact metadata fields: title, alt text, description, keywords, author, copyright, even rating and comments. This is perfect when you need precise, custom metadata for specific campaigns or compliance requirements. Click Optimize, and your manual entries are written directly into the image. Verify again with the Exif Viewer. Every field you entered is there. Whether you need AI-powered bulk optimization or precise manual control, the Exif Injector WordPress plugin puts professional metadata management right where you work. Install it today and start ranking higher with optimized image metadata without ever leaving WordPress. Get started for free at exifinjector.com.